Did you know that you can learn programming without spending a dime? No? Well, you are in for a treat. Hello, my name is Valentina and I'm a web developer. Today, I've got the ultimate guide to 3 stellar websites that will skyrocket your coding skills. But before we dive into this coding odyssey, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt the excitement of creating something from scratch, of seeing lines of code come to life and shape the digital world around you? If the answer is yes, or even curious, maybe you're in the right place. Today, we've not just exploring websites, we've unlocking the door to a world of creativity, problem solving, and endless possibilities through coding. Now, let's kick things off with the powerhouse, Mozilla Developer Network, or MDN for short. It's like having your own personal coding encyclopedia backed by the tech wizard behind Firefox. MDN is your go-to source for all things HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and guess what? You can roll up your sleeves and start coding right into your browser. It's hands-on, practical, and the best part, you are never alone on this journey. But hey, before we delve into the coding wonders of MDN, make sure to hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below. I want to hear your thoughts on these websites and which one you're most excited to explore. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Alright, let's delve deeper into the coding universe with your second hero, FreeCodeCamp. This is no ordinary learning platform. It's a virtual bootcamp where learning feels like leveling up in a game. From coding basics to advanced projects, FreeCodeCamp has it all. Imagine building Reels project, crafting your coding portfolio, and earning certifications that scream, "I am a coding maestro!" It's the kind of hands-on experience that sets you apart in the coding world. Our third contender in this coding triad is none other than Codecademy. Picture a coding playground where interactively and beginner-friendly take center stage. No need to stress about setting up, you dive straight into coding. And the best part, instant feedback on your code. It's like having a personal coding coach guiding you every step of the way. Codecademy covers a buffet of coding language, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, you name it, they've got it. MDN's comprehensive documentation, FreeCodeCamp's project-based learning, and Codecademy interactive approach. This is the secret weapons in your coding arsenal. Imagine immersing yourself in a world where learning is not just education but downright enjoyable. In wrapping up our coding adventure, remember, this web development is not just about lines of code. It's about unleashing your creativity and solving real-world problems. The journey we have taken today exploring MDE, FreeCodeCamp, and Codecademy is just the beginning. Each click, each line of code is a step towards mastering a skill that opens doors to countless opportunities in the digital landscape. Whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned developer, the beauty of this journey lies in the continuous learning and the incredible community you are now a part of. So let's keep this conversation going. Hit the subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comments, and join your community of passionate learners. As you venture into the coding world, remember, the more you code, the more you learn, and the more you create. Your coding journey is an evolving story and you are the author. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Happy coding, my friends, and may your future projects be bug-free and your creativity boundless. Until next time, happy coding!